Hello, in this video I'll show you how to work with arrays in JavaScript. So let's see how can we define an array. So I'll define an array with the name days of the week, and in this array I'll add the list with all the weeks, with all the days from the week. So I'll put Monday, I'll put Tuesday, I'll put Wednesday, I'll put Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now let's see how we can show and how we can access this value. We can access this value with the index. Arrays are zero indexed. This means that the first index in an array is 0. So let's see what happens if we write something like this console log days of the week. Let's run this HTML file where I have this script. Let's open the console. I put the console log and I can see in the console my array. Now let's access a single value from the array. So if I write something like this, and here I'll put the index 0, here I'll put the index 1, and here I'll put the index 2. And now if I test, I can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because I accessed the first 3 elements from the array. Let's create another array. Const prime numbers, and I'll put 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. It's enough. I'll comment this console log and I'll add another console logs. So I'll put prime numbers length. So the length will be 5. If I write console log and I'll put prime numbers join with this parameter, what happens? Let's see. I'll have all the values with the separator from here. Let's play also with the join and to add another values. I'll put 3 stars for the second, and I'll put a string like this for the third console log. Now we can see the separators that we added in the join added between our numbers from array. In an array we can have also objects. If I have this array courses, and here if I put 2 values, teacher with the value teacher 1, course and the value course 1. I'll copy this, and here I'll put teacher2 and value course2. This is an object and this is an array. So here I have an array with two objects. I'll comment this console logs and I'll put another console log here. So I'll add a console log, and here we can see our array with two objects. In arrays, we can use the method push to add another element in the array. So if I write something like this, I'll comment this console, I'll add this, and I'll put courses push, and here I'll copy an object from here, and I'll add the object here, and I'll put teacher 3 and course 3. Now let's add another console log with the courses. So in the first console log I have two in the first console log I have two objects, and here I have 3. Okay, let's add something else. If I write here courses unshift, add, I'll comment these two console logs. So with unshift I can add a new element in the front of the array. So I'll add here teacher 10, and teacher 10 with course 10 will be the first element from the array. Let's test. So teacher 10, now it's the first element from array. Okay. Now another way to add elements in array is to access the index. So if I want to replace, for example, an element from array, for example, I want to replace the second element from array. If I want to replace the second element from array, I'll write courses2. No, for the second I have index 1, courses2 equals with another object. So I'll add teacher 11, courses 11. So the second element now is teacher 11 course 11. Also, I can access property from this object. So if I want to access an element from this object, I'll write courses 1 dot teacher, for example, and I'll put the name teacher 2. Let's test, and here I have for the second element from array property teacher is teacher 2. Okay, these are the arrays in JavaScript. Let's do something else. For example, I can access an element from the array. I can write const new course equals with the courses 2, and new course teacher will be new teacher. Okay. Now I can write this to console log, new course. So I'll write something like this: new course with the value new course. So new course will be courses 2, so will be teacher 3, and the property teacher from this object will be changed, and new course will be oh, I need to write new course teacher here. So new course is new teacher. These are the arrays in JavaScript.